Bekaert believes that nothing is out of our reach. It's just a matter of figuring out how we're going to get there.
It's not just strictly about the quality of the product. It's, about employing, 300 plus, nearly 400 people here in Van Buren, Arkansas that take pride in what they do day in and day out.
The best part of my job is the people. So I love walking around the floor and just seeing the changes that people have made within their own departments and how well it's working for them. Everybody is absolutely open. We want to make sure that anybody who comes into the building feels welcome.
That family feeling that you get working at Bekaert, I mean, you feel like you're wanted to be there, and you don't want to leave. I mean, I look at all my colleagues as family.
I've worked with Matt for a long time, and we grew up together, and we started working together, and it's been a good deal.
We're a very diverse company. We have very unique technologies that we get to apply specifically for ag products that our competitors don't necessarily have. So we end up with better coating technology, better coatings in general.
We use a majority high tensile wire for our fencing, and a plant that you can go and see that reinvests all the time into the people, the manufacturing, as well as the whole to see. We have great customer service, just the whole overall offering that Bekaert has.
I think it's the way it's made and twisted. I don't know a lot about that, how they do it, but I know what they do works.
Part of the expertise, I feel, comes from a number of individuals with 20 and 30 plus years of experience, and having those guys there to teach the new generation coming in. They get to learn from those guys that have been here for a number of years, and that's really priceless.
Why am I an expert? Years of experience. The customers, they're our life. So I think I'll make a good quality product because I wouldn't want to sell anything that I wouldn't want by myself.
I had a tree fall on it, and a storm blew it over, and it landed on the fence and just basically pushed the wire down and didn't break the wire at all.
If you're a customer, this is the only place that you want your product made.
Bekaert started off as a family-owned company, and everyone has passed that down as the new generations come on. The pride in what we do comes from the community that we're in. We're a small community, hometown, here right in the center of America. So, it's very important to the community. It's very important to the families. I mean, if I can help marketing, if I can help sales in any way to sell one more roll, to keep that guy in a job for one more day, that's what I feel like I should be out there doing.
I think when that customer sees our American flag on our products, I think to them, they know they're buying a product that is giving back to their community, my community, and everybody else's in general.
Made in the USA means quality to me. It's made with pride, and a lot of hours, man hours behind it to make a good quality product.
It means keeping jobs in America, supporting families. It means supporting where we live.
I've been in rodeoing all my life, and rodeoing is an American thing. I'm an American-made guy. I love living on the farm, and I'm gonna buy American products. I had some horses already run into it. It just springs back, it won't slip, and it goes up really quick, and I think it's the best product I could find out there. I'm gonna build my whole farm out of it. And I think this fence right here, I think it'll stay here for no telling how many years.